How to mute notifications in Kakaotalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can mute the notifications in Kakaotalk. Let's get started. First, open the Kakaotalk application on your device. Now tap on this more right here at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, you can see the settings icon at the top. Tap on settings. Now scroll down until you see notification. Here it is. So tap on notifications. Just toggle this off, everything from here. Now once you toggle this off, you won't be getting any notifications. And just like this, you can mute notifications on Kakaotalk. The next thing you can do is go to your device settings, scroll down until you see apps. Now at the very end, tap on apps. Now search for Kakaotalk right here, open it. Now once you open the Kakaotalk, you will see notifications right here. Tap on notification and just toggle this off, as it's already toggled off. Just toggle this off and your notifications will be mute. That's it. This is how you can mute notifications in Kakaotalk. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.